Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. I'm so happy that you're here. Today we're doing a giveaway. This is giveaway number 3 of cleaning out my yarn room. And I have to say, before I get into picking the winners, you guys have been so amazing. I had the words that for each one of these yarn offerings, and so many of you have come up with so many creative ways to word this into a story, into a poem. And I must encourage you, if you guys have not read through the comments, take some time and read through the comments on the giveaway video. These are really beautiful comments and they deserve to be kind of put into a book. So take the time, read them, and enjoy them as much as I did. They all made me smile. I shared them with my husband and he enjoyed them. So thank you guys for being so creative and making that so much fun to read and hear that. So thank you. Let's go ahead and get into picking the winners. Today we have 5 different yarn offerings. The first one. Today is the day we're going to be picking the winners of all these yarn offerings of cleaning out my yarn room giveaway number 3. Let's go ahead and just get started with this giveaway. The first yarn I have to offer is the Whisper Lace yarn. Here is the URL for the video. I think I copied and pasted already. Yep, but I'll just do it again. Alright, there we go. Got the URL. Double check. Yep, okay. And we're going to filter duplicate users. We are going to filter the comments based on a given text. Whisper is the word. Good luck to everybody. Grab the comments. I really did enjoy reading all of your comments. They were amazing. So many beautiful poems, so many beautiful sayings. Some made me laugh, some made me go, oh, this person's a really amazing poet. So thank you guys for putting some creativity into your comments. It made reading all of those comments so much fun. All right, we have 403 unique comments. All right, good luck to everybody. This is for the Whisper Lace yarn. So we're going to need to pull that down. Catherine Pullman. And she says, as I walk to the bistro, through the thistle and the seagrass, I whisper to the bumblebee my love of Bernat. How wonderful is that? See, Catherine, such a beautiful comment. And look, it looks like she's got llamas. How cool is that? Okay, let's check one thing. There I am. Catherine is subscribed to me. So Catherine, you're the winner of the Whisper Lace yarn. Congratulations. Catherine Pullman. All right, let's pick the winner of the next one. All right, now it's time to pick the winner of the Bernat Cottonist yarn and gray t-shirt, 4 skeins. The word was Bernat. Let's grab the YouTube comments. 345. Good luck to everybody. Let's pick a winner. Kate Johnson. She says, Whisper, Thistle, Seagrass, Bistro, and Bernat. All are so beautiful. Thank you so much for your kindness and a great giveaway. Oh, thank you, Kate. That's such a lovely comment. All right, let's check and make sure we can see if you're subscribed to my channel. There I am. So awesome. Kate, you're the winner of the Bernat Cottonist yarn. Congratulations. And let's pick the winner of the next give part. We will go with Bumble, the Lolo Did It sock yarn in Bumble colorway. So let's just do Bumble. And let's grab the comments. Let's see how many people were interested in this yarn. 335 people. All right. Good luck, everybody. This is going to be for the winner of the Bumble yarn. Whoops. Sorry, I should have pulled that down more. Christina Redmond. Christina says, Whisper, Bernat, Bumble, Seagrass, Bistro, and Thistle. I'd like to win any of those. Thank you so much for your giveaways. Oh, Christina, you're welcome. Thank you for your lovely comment. And let's double check your... There I am. So awesome. All right, let's pick the winner of the next yarn offering. We'll go ahead and we'll do the Red Heart Roll With It Tweed in Seagrass. And the word was seagrass, all one word. Let's grab the YouTube comments and see how many people were interested in this yarn. 402. Awesome. All right. Good luck to everybody. Let's pick a winner. Karen Strachan. Please forgive me if I mispronounce your name. It says the yarns are beautiful and the top you made with the thistle color is very pretty. I'm getting ready to make some t-shirts as well. The Bernat, Bumble, Bistro, Whisper, and Seagrass yarns are also very beautiful. What a lovely comment, Karen. Thank you. There I am. So congratulations, Karen. Let's pick the winner of the next yarn offering. We'll just go with the Red Heart Unforgettable yarn in the grays, which was Bistro was the word. Let's grab the comments. There were 2 skeins of this yarn. 378 people were interested in this. Good luck to everybody. Let's pick a winner. Linda Fansler. It says, Whisper, Bumble, Bernat, Bistro, Seagrass, and Thistle. Wow, wow, wow. Just yummy. LOL. Thanks for a groovy giveaway, Gina. Keep it rockin', chick. Love it. Rainbow, fingers up. Awesome. Thank you, Linda, for a lovely comment. Fun comment. There I am on Linda's page. So, Linda, congratulations. You're the winner of the 2 skeins of Bistro. And also, I'm just going to say I'm showing the subscriptions. I'm just showing where I am on the person's page. All right. I believe all we have left now is the Lion Brand True Boo yarn, 3 skeins in Thistle. And for that, we use the word thistle. So let's grab the comments and see how many people were interested in this yarn. 411. Awesome. All right. Good luck to everybody. Thank you again for participating in this giveaway. Finding Serenity in Stitches. Awesome. It says, thank you so much for cleaning out your yarn room. I would enjoy knitting or crocheting with any of them. Whisper, Bernat, Bumble, Seagrass, Bistro, or Thistle. Thanks and have a great rest of the week. Christina. There I am. So congratulations to each and every one of the winners I picked today. If you are a winner, please email me at knitbymoonbeams@gmail.com your shipping information. If you are outside of the U.S., please include a phone number for me to put on the customs form. And I will get this out to you as soon as I possibly can. So thank you guys for participating. I have one more giveaway coming up, possibly not before my monetization party, kind of in and after it, but one more giveaway coming up, and then I'm going to do some cleaning and organizing, and then we'll just see where we are. And because that way I think I'll have it better sorted. This is kind of just the stuff I can easily get to. So I hope you understand. Keep your eyes open for that, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Thank you again, and we'll see y'all very, very soon.